My name is Roman Bohart. I'm the owner-operator of Exterior Cleaning Solutions St. Louis. We've been proudly serving the greater St. Louis area since 2022. So here at Exterior Cleaning Solutions, we clean everything from the roof all the way to the pavement. Whether it's black streaks on your roof, debris clogging and overflowing your gutters, green on the side of your building, whether it's brick or siding, or maybe you just have dirt built up on your sidewalk. If it's on the exterior of your home or building, it's something that we can clean. So growing up, I came from a family of veterans. Upon graduating high school, I took it upon myself to join the Navy, and that's where I learned the core values of honor, courage, and commitment. These are the values that I bring to Exterior Cleaning Solutions and my clients, whether it's residential or commercial. We stay up to date on cutting-edge technology, making sure our systems are always the most efficient and running correctly. In the past, exterior cleaning has been focused on pressure washing and using high pressure. With the evolving technology of the exterior cleaning industry, we're not just going to blast everything. We're going to use eco-friendly, soft wash approved detergents. They're going to be selected for the right job. Last June, I was contracted to clean a small 11,000 square foot parking garage. This became one of my most challenging endeavors. What I didn't realize was how slow parking garage's draining system was. Even though I was there to just clean the garage, I wanted to make sure that everything drained safely without backing anything up or creating any other issues. It resulted in me being there into the late night, ensuring that everything was draining properly and everything remained clean. Upon the next day, I returned to make sure everything turned out great. We maintain an open channel of communication with our clients. If there's something they didn't like or there's something more we can do, we make sure we make that happen. When we arrive on site, we're going to protect your property and your plants and anything else that lies in between. Whether it's your kids' belongings or some great furniture on the patio, we have a solution that's right for that, that's not going to cause any damage. If it's on the exterior of your home or building, it's something that we can clean.